Bonjour et bienvenue à Semaine 8, Week 8. Thank you, by the way, for those of you that have done the assignments so far throughout the quarter. I just want to say that it really means a lot to see that consistency and effort put forth, and it will not go unnoticed this fall. So thank you again, and let's get started. Assignment 8.1. All you're going to do is tell me in English about your online schooling experiences for this quarter compared to when you were in school. I would like you to write a good-sized paragraph, which means more than 5 sentences. Doesn't need to specifically pertain to just French. So things you can include, I'm not going to read them all, but they're listed here if you're kind of stuck and not sure what to write about. I want you to stick to school as much as possible, but you could write about personal things if you would like as well. For example, what was difficult maybe not seeing people during this pandemic, especially in those beginning months. The cold weather, you couldn't leave your house. It felt maybe depressive for some of you. Maybe some of you actually really enjoyed it. I would be interested to hear your perspective, even though I've heard some of your perspectives so far. It would just be nice to hear from all of you on how it all went. And hopefully all the technicalities of everything with the technological issues and bridging the gaps here really worked well too. And that is what I'm hoping. So anyway, just a little paragraph about your experience for 8.1. You'll notice that the assignments this week are extremely easy and straightforward. I'm trying to keep it simple and fun for this last week of school. All right, so 8.2 is going to be a meme that you're going to look at. It's fun, it's little, it's simple. It's just about pronunciation and phonetics in French. In other words, the majority of the French language and how it is spelled has silent words or silent letters. Vowel combinations that sound like none of the vowels involved, and a tiny bit does have some normal pronunciation. Like I can think of the word ça va or je m'appelle in the beginning of French 1. Those were pretty phonetic and easy to pronounce. And then after that, it just gets crazy. So anyway, you're going to just tell me 5 example words that you learned this year in French 2 or even from French 1 of words that were not said how they were spelled. So an example I can think of is like the word, it's a group of words that means what before you ask a question. Qu'est-ce que? If you were to sound that out and you didn't speak French, you would not say qu'est-ce que. You would say something a lot longer and weirder sounding. So in other words, there's a lot of examples for you to find of things that are not phonetic in French. So give 5 example words of that, and then also add at the end 2 or more words or expressions that are your favorite and you will always remember well. Everyone has words in French that they just love, or expressions. And so whatever those are, let me know. And so you'll have, in other words, a total of 7 words between those 5 examples and then the 2 more of your favorite words. So at least 7. Feel free to add more if you so desire. And 8.3, another meme. You're going to look at it below. It's actually just a quote. In English, it means always do your best, even if no one is looking. In French, fais toujours de ton mieux, même si personne ne regarde. Always do your best, even if no one is watching. So, I saw this quote and I kind of thought it tied in a little bit to this online learning experience because it's a weird connection. You submit your assignments, your teacher looks at them, and you get a check mark in Power School. You're not supposed to be getting these numerical grades or scores like zeros or hundreds or whatever. So it may not feel like you're getting acknowledged for the work you're doing, or maybe it does feel like you are. Or maybe just in general, no one is seeing what you're doing at home and the good that you're doing. Maybe you're going to work every day. Maybe you're, you haven't turned in the assignments because you have all this other stuff going on in your life. Whatever it is, however this quote applies to you in your pandemic situation, think deep and let me know how it relates. Write a little paragraph about it. Again, paragraph is 5 sentences. That would be fine for this one. But again, just how this applies to you. It could be school related. Maybe it's personal. So what I think is hard, like I said, though, is that in this situation, your talent, yourself doesn't truly shine like it would at school. So it would be interesting to see what you come up with for this. And those are your 3 assignments, 8.1, kind of like 8.3, But 8.3 is a little bit more personal. 8.1 is just generally, what has this experience been like for you? Okay. 8.2, the pronunciation meme. 8.3, how does this quote apply to you in the pandemic? Those are your 3 assignments, and take note of the due date. It's le 5 juin, again, because we do not go in school past the 5th of June. You would not normally, in a normal school year, have to turn in an assignment past that date. And so that will be the due date, but also keep in mind the assignments should be pretty quick and easy for you this week, and I'll be very interested to get them from you and see what you write. So that is that. I hope you guys have an excellent week and an excellent end of the school year as best possible. It has been a pleasure seeing your assignments and getting to know you throughout these past couple years, and I will see you in the fall. Au revoir.